Are you considering using GoDaddy Online Store for your dropshipping business? Well, before you hit that buy button, there are 12 important things you need to know that could help you make a more informed decision. Stick around till the end, because we'll compare GoDaddy's platform with some competitors, so you can really figure out if it's the best fit for your needs. First, GoDaddy Online Store is known for its simplicity. Unlike other platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce, it offers an easy-to-use interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to get your store up and running. However, this also means you won't get the depth of customization options that Shopify or WooCommerce offer. It's great for beginners, but can feel limiting if you want a more tailored experience down the road. Next thing, while it's easy to get started, GoDaddy doesn't provide the most advanced features that some of its competitors do. For example, you won't find features like in-depth reporting or multi-currency support right out of the box. Shopify offers these as standard, and BigCommerce takes it a step further with advanced analytics and robust SEO tools. The third thing is that GoDaddy has a lower monthly fee than many of its competitors, which might seem attractive at first glance. But as with most things, you get what you pay for. The lower price point can mean limited support and fewer integration options. For dropshipping, you'll need a platform that integrates easily with suppliers like AliExpress or Spocket, and GoDaddy's integrations aren't as extensive as those on Shopify. The fourth thing to consider is GoDaddy's transaction fees. While their pricing plans may seem competitive, they still charge transaction fees on certain plans, which can eat into your profits. Shopify, on the other hand, allows you to avoid transaction fees if you use their payment system. Next thing, GoDaddy's customer support is often praised for being responsive, but it's not 24/7 like Shopify or BigCommerce. If you're running an international business or need help at odd hours, this could be a potential downside. The sixth thing you need to know is that GoDaddy offers basic themes, but they're very limited compared to the large selection available on other platforms. While the themes are responsive, they won't offer the same level of customization or unique design options that Shopify or WordPress can give you. The seventh thing is the level of marketing tools GoDaddy offers. Compared to Shopify, which has integrated tools like email marketing, SEO features, and social media integrations, GoDaddy's marketing options are more basic. This can be an issue if you plan to scale and need advanced features to drive traffic to your store. Next, while GoDaddy offers basic product management tools, it doesn't have the same level of flexibility for complex inventories that you'd get with competitors. For example, Shopify's inventory management is far more powerful, which is crucial if you plan to scale. The ninth thing is that GoDaddy offers a built-in payment processor, but it's not as seamless as Shopify payments or PayPal. You may face limitations with some payment methods, which could hurt conversion rates. The 10th thing to note is the limited apps and integrations available on GoDaddy's platform. Shopify's app marketplace is massive, offering thousands of third-party integrations to extend functionality. GoDaddy's app marketplace is much smaller, meaning you might have to manually handle things that other platforms automate for you. The 11th thing is mobile optimization. GoDaddy offers mobile responsive themes, but Shopify offers better mobile tools for managing your store on the go, and BigCommerce offers mobile-friendly designs with a higher degree of customization. Finally, while GoDaddy's drag-and-drop builder makes it easy to set up, it lacks the flexibility of more robust builders like Shopify's or WordPress's. If you need custom functionality, you might find GoDaddy's system a little restrictive in comparison. So, is GoDaddy a good choice for your dropshipping business? It's definitely a solid option for beginners who want a simple, cost-effective solution. But if you're serious about scaling your business, you might want to consider other options like Shopify, which offers more advanced features and scalability. If you want a better option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. It might just be the right fit for your business growth.